Welcome to my math story video. Today I'll be talking about exponential function in modeling population growth and decay. So do you all what is a population? Well, it's basically the number of people in a certain country. So as that's all. So this video is presented by me and my friend Jason Hua. We spent quite some times doing this video, so please watch until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can share more math story video. Well, before we begin our topic, let me tell you a bizarre story. In this timeline, the population of the United States have grown rapidly in a fast rate. The president fi- the president feared that overpopulation might consume the entire country. He organized a meeting, which as you can see right now, mm, and tasked Jotaro, which is him, a quest in keeping trace of the rapid growth population. So let us continue on. So Jotaro started his quest by visiting hospitals to acquire birth reports. However, he soon realized this method not only inaccurate but also ignored the number of population of the immigrants coming to America. Therefore, he seeks help for his professor Dio Brando. After hearing his problem, Professor Dio wrote down a formula in his whiteboard, telling Jotaro that this formula will work and solve all his problems. At first, Jotaro wouldn't believe such a simple formula would help him out, but after trying everything out, and then he just applied everything into this formula, he realized that this formula just saved his work. So let us begin our main topic. So I'll briefly talk about the population growth in modeling it. So basically, as you can see, a sample question, which is a new type of bacteria is discovered to have the ability to grow in a rate of 10% in 1 hour. Given the bacteria had 200 as initial population, find the number of population of the bacteria after 5 hours. So here's my solution. So first of all, you wrote down the formula right here, and then you apply everything from the question into the formula, and you get the answer, 300, 200, 329. So this is about the population growth. So let us proceed to the next slide. Here, things comes a bit different we talk about population declare right now. So the question is, in a town named Moria located in Japan, there were 60,000 residents recorded in 1999. However, about 7% of the population migrated to big cities every year. Calculate the amount of years taken for the population to drop to 30,000. So here's my solution. You can pause to read it out. So here's the formula, and then you can pause the video to see what does each symbol stands for. Here is a graph showing the increase of population right up. As you can see, the line goes straight right up, which indicate the population growth in a rapid rate. Another graph is that, as you can see, the line go beneath into the x-axis, which means that the population is facing declaration. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.